for. So this is a badge from Tamil Nadu Tourism which they have given. You
Okay.
can see the logo, and this is Government of Tamil Nadu. They have two colors, brown and black, and it says Mamlapuram, and there is a shore temple. Now let's see what's inside this.
Okay.
Unwrapping the souvenir given by the Tamil Nadu government.
So this is the shore temple, yeah?
Yeah, this is the shore temple. And it says the 44th FIDE Chess Olympiad, Chennai 2022.
Wow.
This is the chess set in the specially designed kit. Yeah, the FIDE Olympiad logo. This kit is basically for media. And they have a royal blue color t-shirt. I like this part a little. And here is the
Pin.
souvenir pin, which is really nicely made.
Wow. So this entire thing. Oh, there's more.
Yeah. And a beautiful book, Treasures of Tamil Nadu.
Wow.
It's a beautiful book, starting with the Chief Minister, Mr. M.K. Stalin's picture, and then talking about Tamil Nadu. You can see the Purikat Lake and the details, the Nilgiri railways, all specially about Tamil Nadu. They have created a wonderful pictorial book.
So all of these people can just read and basically understand the culture of the place.
Correct.
Very nice. So things, and each player gets it.
Each player gets it.
Wow. So actually they have done it with a lot of taste and invested a lot in making these kits
Correct.
to make everyone feel special.
Yes. And not only that, they have made sure that all the players gets the kit today itself on their arrivals. So today, this kit would be distributed in their hotels itself. So it's all well planned and well managed in that particular way, along with the accreditation cards.
Fantastic. Well,